Welcome to STPanels, the open source tool where you can create powerful dashboards in LinceBI. Developed by STPanels is the most efficient web tool for visualizing and editing interactive data for your business. Set up and interact with general or more specific filters to achieve the best analysis. The relational models will ensure that the most optimal and important information is displayed to enhance the visualization you need. Toggle visualization and edit mode. With this platform, you have the ability to create custom visualizations by selecting values directly from data sources and styling parameters to obtain effective and visually appealing dashboards. Streamline your data management process with STPanels, where you can effortlessly integrate diverse data sources, optimize table relationships, and generate insightful metrics tailored to your needs. Manage and customize data sources. STPanels is the most comprehensive solution for managing data from various sources. Establish relationships between tables and columns and create calculated fields that allow you to display the most relevant information. STPanels by STPanels is the ultimate open-source solution for business analysis. Try it now.